wanted to have a kind of online presence. I wanted to have YouTube channels. I wanted to have videos so people would know who I was, get a flavour of my personality. And I didn't have a clue what to do. So I came on one of Andy's courses. The first one was confidence to camera, which allowed me to relax with the videos. I started at 7 out of 10 when I was being recorded, and it was quite scary, but Andy was very gentle with me and guided me to how to stand, how to present myself well. I wrote a bit of a script which I kind of rehearsed a little bit, and it went off really well. So yeah, it was good. It was really good. Another YouTube channel for my Just Be Angels because I got such a good response for the Just Be retreat, so I wanted another channel setting up. I wanted Skype because I know that with my courses and one-to-ones, how do I talk to people remotely wherever I am, abroad or in the UK, and so we kind of really sorted all that out. Again, it was a bit of a minefield for me. Facebook. Another Facebook account, and it's just easy for him because he's techie and he's savvy, and I'm not, so it's just been great. I can just say, can you please help me with this, and yeah, no problem, nothing's too much trouble, so we've done lots. How to hold it with a tripod, which way round to hold it. I know it sounds a bit daft, but you know, the simple things, where to look when you're being videoed, where to look at the little black camera. Yeah, lots of things, and actually how easy it is, and just have fun with it, and also how to upload it and put it on the different platforms that I want to use, like my YouTube channel and Facebook, etc. I just go and do it because it's the world of technology, and we don't all have the knowledge, and that's why it's great when you find somebody who's really kind, really gentle, and able to guide you through the minefield without using all the techie language which just confuses you. So it makes it easy to understand. You don't feel stupid, you feel like quite empowered after it, thinking, yeah, I can do this. So yeah, I'm very grateful to Andy for showing me how to do it all. So I'm just going to get on with it now.